I have literally been up for the last 2 hours entertaining these two and they're still going at it. I just want to sit down and have a cup of tea. Like Penny's usually sleeping at this point. What are you doing? Penny? Oh, it's going to be mental when she can properly jump on the sofa. Can we have a nap, please? Oh. Oh. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my actual god. You're gonna hurt yourself, Penny. Nico, go easy now. Your fucking dumpty nose. Penny's actually trying to get away from you. Crazy. 2 years are crazy. Go Bubbles. You going Bubbles? Please? Have a nap? Right, that's enough. I'm settling now. Oh god. Oh my god. These are mental. Nico has really cheered up coming up here actually. She's had a good run. Go easy. Penny, you're gonna hurt yourself. Oh my actual god. Oh my god. Any chance? Calm down. Any chance? Right, that's enough. Bobos. Are we going Bobos? Penny? We're going to 5 minutes. We're sending this to your daddy, Nico. And then we're going to have Bobos. Okay? Okay, that's enough now. This is enough. Nico, you're keeping her going. You're keeping her going. These are bold.